Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video we are going to connect Tailwind CSS with our HTML code or file. So let's get started. Drag and drop the Tailwind folder with vscode, then create file called index.html and make another file as style.css. We are making style.css file for only a single command, but the command is very important for getting suggestions because we are using Tailwind 4.1 version. So go to the browser, search for Tailwind CSS. Go to the first website called tailwindcss.com. Click on the get started. Then click on the Play CDN. So this is the CDN link that we are linking with our HTML file. And so copy the code, go to the index.html file and paste the code that we have copied. After that, link, we are opening a link tag here. Firstly, we'll write that command in the style.css file. The command is @import tailwind css. So this is important command for getting suggestions in the HTML file. So we have connected the file. Then search for the extension called Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. So I have installed it already. So we'll check, is it giving suggestions? So yeah, it is giving suggestions. Empty means margin top. It will give margin at the top only. So we'll run the code. So it is giving hello world, which is default code that we have copied from the website. So we'll give some margin. Let's give it 2. So this is the classes that we are using from the Tailwind CSS website. These classes are already defined by them. We are only calling them. Give some color. So see, we have getting color.
That's all, guys. Make sure